Welcome to the online classes from Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus. Assalamu alaikum students of class 8 in the online class of social studies. We are studying chapter number 5 industry and I am your teacher Miss Uzma. Topic of the day is transport. In the transport we will study about tankers, container ship and bulk carriers. Transport. Transport or transportation is the easiest way of movement of human, animals and goods from one location to another. Transport is a service industry essential in the movement of oil, industrial and agricultural products. For example, of oil tankers, bulk oil carriers, container ships, cargo and small ships. Transport is a part of service industries, but it is discussed here as it is essential for the movement of oil and industrial products. Sending goods by sea, especially large or bulky ones, mineral ores, coal, grain, machinery, vehicles, etc., is the cheapest way of getting them from one side of the world to the other. The main types of ships for long distance voyages are oil tankers, bulk ore carriers, and container ships. Smaller ships carry mixed loads over shorter distances. Tankers. Tankers are what they say they are, huge floating tanks powered by engines, usually used for transporting oil. They can be 450 meters wide and weigh up to 500,000 tons. They are so big that the crew of 30-40 men often have motor scooters to get from one end of the deck to the other. Tankers can travel at 25 kph and take over 5 kilometers to slow down to a stop. One tanker can carry 3 million tons of oil. Container ship means floating warehouses. Usually well over 400 meters long, these ships are really floating warehouses. They are designed to carry goods already packed in huge boxes 6 or 12 meters long and 2.5 meters wide and 2.5 meters in height. Because all of these containers are the same size and shape, they can be packed together much more closely than those goods. The production are loaded into the containers at the factories, then taken on special trains or trucks to the port where they are loaded by special equipment on the ships. The containers are packed below deck, and when that is full on the deck itself, the larger container ships can carry over 6,000 of these huge metal boxes at the same time. Containers protect the goods much better as they can be locked at the depot or factory to prevent pilferage and stealing, which used to be very common in ordinary cargoes. Bulk carriers. Some goods such as coal, metal ores and grain are not suitable for containers, and these are often carried in bulk carriers. These are up to 350 meters long with engines and living quarters at the rear. With the rest of the ship, a huge open space for cargo. Many of them can hold 250,000 tons of goods. Other special ships are refrigerated ships which carry meat and other perishable goods about the world and roll-on roll-off spring for carrying vehicles and cars. Questions are in front of you. These are from the whole chapter. Study them well. Thank you so much.